So let's start with the Zoho creator first. Uh, Simply, we are just going to be logging the Zoho creator. After login inside the solution, we can see the two apps. One is the portal. Portal is the main one. So you click in the portal. After clicking, you are inside in the portal. So this one is the customer main contact main form where anyone is going to be create or added. This is the admin purpose I'm just explaining. So this one is the admin, and this is the field, and the report you can see here. Now I'm just moving into the added part as admin. So simply you need to be clicking the added this application. You are after clicking in this application, you are just move into the edit mode inside the creator. So this is the view. I'll explain that canvas view also. Whenever you just click on this all contact button or that report, so you can see there is a quick view and detail view. If you click the quick view, you can see there is one custom layout. Simply you can click here, and if anything you want to change or add here, you can, that is going to be populated for all the record. Right now only name is there, and in the detail, basically inside that, after clicking on that record, this is the inside layout. If you want to change any placement of the field or new field if you want, so simply you can just drag and drop here. Like example, you can just drag and drop, and this option is shown here after this. So like this way you can just change the layout. Now we are just moving into the form. If you want to change any field or want to add any field inside the portal, so simply click in added button. After that, there is some data types. Whatever field you want, you need to be drag and drop and add that field name. There is a field name. This is the link name. So this, after adding here, you need to be save this thing. So simply you need to click on done. After adding this new field, you can see inside the creator. But for populating from CRM to creator, you need to update in the function also. So let's go inside the function. This is the some workflow which I have created. So in the contact, some field email part, I have created this contact form. So main form is the contacts, and this contact is basically where anyone is going to be enter a mail ID and OTP. So this is for that. So contact form also I'll show you inside the design. This is the contact form. So let me open. It's opening. Now I'm moving into the portal part. Portal form, this one is the portal form. Here you are need to be write their link name is contact, so that's why in the contact I am going to be update this workflow for email OTP. So here you can see the email and OTP. For this email and OTP and recent OTP part, I have mentioned inside the contact. So some I have hide or disable field. I'll create some extra field for like a process. So after that, I'll just hide that field. So like this way you can hide, and this is for the disable. So random number I have created in the same screen and just hide from all. And this is for email verification. Email field, I have just disabled that field. This is for random number generate. This code I have write for random number generate. You can go through with this code. So OTP, the current date time, I'll just take the 6 digit. OTP generate too long, I'll just convert into a long. Input if it is not verified. Email, this is kind of like we are sending a mail, and this equals to is this. You can just go through that code. This is for OTP verification. That is, we are generating a random number. This is for verification. If verified, alert is this. If not, it is showing this. Resend is same for email. Same, but whenever anyone is enable that checkbox, then it is going to be trigger. This is for after submitting. Like if anyone is submit this button after verifying everything, then it is moving into that portal. This is for URL unique. I have created this. So I encoded this URL. So I'll just use this format. So if you want to change any URL, you can just check from this code. Another part, we are moving into the contact form. This is the main form. Whatever field you want to be hide in the edit, you need to be shown here. Create or edit, it is shown here. Like it is very simple. You need to be just mention hide or disable is before hide. You can mention the disable. This is for after submitting the record, basically after submitting the contact form. So this, if anyone is entering a data or update our information and click on the submit button, then what is happening? We are calling one function on the submission. That function name is create contact in CRM with record ID. So we move into that function now. This one is the function. So whenever anything is going to be submit, like update or create a new record, whatever is this. So if it is not available in the CRM, that code is going to be update. If it is not available, that record is going to be create. If available, it is going to be update. So create part I have not done. Just for update, I have write this code. So at the end, I'm just updating this record inside the portal also, like in the portal and in the CRM also. So like this way, you can go through with this code. So this is the mapping. If any new field you are just going to be add in the creator or CRM, simply this field we are taking from the creator first, because creator we need to be add here. This is the variable. This contact record we are just fetching from the creator, because this contact this is for the contact module which is inside the creator. This ID we take like as a ID, and this ID we are fetching from the creator sites, and this is the ID how we are just fetching this ID. This is the record ID. After that we convert into ID and just store inside the ID. Then this is the contact form. So like this way we are just creating this variable, and this is the creator field. This is the variable, and after that here we are just putting into the map, like in the CRM and in the creator also we are just updating as the same. So this is the CRM value and this is the creator value. You need to just map the same value whatever new you have created. This is some for the date format. So because in the date we are just facing some issues in the creator to CRM having a different format, so that we need to be checked. So like this way you can just go through this code. And that another one we are just updating from CRM to creator. So this is the same code, same mapping. This is a variable, this is the CRM field. We are just capture that values, and at the end we are just updating in the creator. We are just create this record. This is the else condition. Here we This is for in update and another one is for create. You can just go through this code. And yeah, below I'll just commented some record. This record is created in the CRM. If anything is going to be changed into the CRM, this is going to be create in the creator. If new record, if that record is not available in the creator, it is going to be create. And if it is record is available, then it is going to be update as per the above code. Above is for update. In that, like this is else for is create. So search and everything I'll already mapping here.